Welcome to Email Marketing Success. Email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience, build relationships, and drive sales. This presentation provides a comprehensive guide for beginners to get started with email marketing, outlining key steps, best practices, and tips for success. So first, define your goals. Before diving into email marketing, clarify your objectives. Whether it's increasing sales, boosting brand awareness, or engaging with customers, having clear goals will guide your strategy. Build your email list. The foundation of successful email marketing is a quality email list. Obtain permission from individuals to receive your emails through opt-in forms on your website, social media, funnels, or other channels. Quality over quantity is crucial in this step. 3. Choose an email marketing platform. Selecting the right email marketing platform is essential. Popular choices include MailChimp, GetResponse, and Sendinblue. There are others. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and analytics tools. Create compelling content. Craft engaging and relevant content for your emails. Personalize messages to cater to your audience's needs and interests. Use a mix of text, images, and calls to action to keep your emails visually appealing and actionable. Design responsive templates. Ensure your email templates are responsive and compatible with various devices. A mobile-friendly design is crucial, as a significant portion of users accesses emails on smartphones. Segment your audience. Divide your email list into segments based on demographics, behaviors, or preferences. This will allow you to send targeted and personalized messages, improving the effectiveness of your campaigns. Automate your campaigns. Leverage automation tools to streamline your email marketing efforts. Set up automated welcome emails, drip campaigns, and follow-ups to nurture leads and maintain consistent communication with your audience. Monitor and analyze results. Regularly track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Analyze the data to understand what works and what needs improvement. Use A/B testing to optimize subject lines, content, and timing. Comply with regulations. Familiarize yourself with email marketing regulations such as CAN Spam Act or GDPR to ensure compliance. Obtain consent from subscribers, provide clear opt-out options, and respect the privacy. And iterate and improve. Email marketing is an evolving process. Continuously analyze results, gather feedback, and adapt your strategy accordingly. Experiment with different approaches to discover what resonates best with your audience. As a conclusion, getting started with email marketing involves careful planning, audience segmentation, and commitment to delivering valuable content. By following these steps and staying attuned to industry trends, businesses can build successful email campaigns that foster engagement and drive business growth.